what's up? Today we are going to change the equation, the dimension and the geometry and the geography of my room, also known as the main corner of my house, mera bread butter, which is my beauty space, and this is basically what I'm going to make my beauty space. बट यहाँ पे जैसे तुम देख रहे हो कुछ भी नहीं है एक्सेप्ट फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल कर्टन विच आई हैव. आई लव दिस कर्टन. लव इट. इसके पीछे और एक मैंने कर्टन ऐसे लगा रखी है just for a little more blocking of light, but this is the space which I am trying to convert right here. And मैंने पहली बात तो I've got ingredients to it which is my prized possession. This right here, it is my vanity mirror. इसको मैंने 4,000 रुपये लगा के, to be honest, I got it in a very decent price क्योंकि हमारे वहाँ पे ना I have a vanity mirror back at my home. And वो वाली vanity mirror cost me 8,000 rupees. The one at my home, ये वाली it cost me 4,000 in Bombay. So thank you Bombay. कुछ तो आपने सस्ता कर दिया मेरे लिए, कुछ एक चीज़. वो वाला the one that I have at my home, of course I couldn't carry it with me because वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा है. वो 3x3 का है, ये 2x1 का है. So yeah, there's a size difference also. Oh, now I have a feeling कि size difference की वजह से शायद इसका प्राइस कम है. Anyway, I did not really calculate. ये घर छोटा है, ठीक है. बॉम्बे में सब कुछ छोटा है. To be honest, the studio room back at my home was probably ये पूरे घर का एक कमरा छोड़ के पूरे घर का size, just one studio, and that is the place that I live in now in Bombay. That's what Bombay is. You can't help it, you guys. Like you genuinely cannot. और इसका रेंट सुनोगे ना दिमाग फट जाएगा. No cribbing. I paid my rent just today. I love this house. I love Bombay. Yes, just me convincing myself. But all right, let's go.
पहली चीज़ है वैनिटी मिरर को इसके वॉल के आगे अच्छे से प्लेस करना. There's a wooden sort of stand on it so that it places nicely on the wall and does not trip off.
Thing to place is this lamp, which I'm going to place. All right. Yeah, that looks nice.
Dino is a very important character in my life. I eat with Dino, I journal with Dino, I talk to Dino, so I need a good space for Dino. And मैंने डाइनो का हैबिटेट भी ऑर्डर कर लिया है बाय द वे, विच इज ही लव्स ग्रीन्स ऑफ कोर्स, सो आई हैव ग्रीन्स विथ मी. बट आई थिंक आई एम गोना प्लेस डाइनो right here. Wait, I don't think you can see it. Wait, I'm gonna give you a better look. It is like that area where I want to place Dino because वहाँ से Dino हमेशा मुझे देख सकता है and I need that. All my body sunscreens and body lotions will go here, somewhere at the back. I'm going to be placing this right here. It's time to place Dino. Love that. Okay, Dino खुश लग रहा है यहाँ पर. Dino का sort हो गया. Now it's my turn. जल्दी follow वाले बटन पे प्रेस कर दो. If you are new here, hi, I'm Swagata Dev. Let's continue with the video now. अब skincare को लगाएंगे इस side. For that, I am gonna put my daily skincare. This is a very bougie, expensive gel moisturizer. I use a lot of moisturizers. Gel specifically only. ये भी विदिन का जेल मॉइस्चराइजर है, ये भी असाया का जेल मॉइस्चराइजर है. I'm a dry combination skin girly, but यहाँ पे इतना ज्यादा गर्मी है ना in Bombay right now, so everything is a gel sunscreen right now. And oh god, my two very trustworthy toners are also here. This is a toner bag from Biodance. I love this one. This is a vitamin C one. I think also from a Korean brand, but it works beautifully. This is from Plum. It's got just niacinamide and rice water, so it's on the days जब मैंने face पे वो करा है ना, like I've done, what do you call it यार, face का जो बाल remove करते हैं, peach fuzz. Okay, peach fuzz. क्या बोल देती हूँ मैं. Okay, so the days when I have been harsh with my skin or I've done some chemical exfoliation, which nowadays I have forgotten to do only. I need to get to chemical exfoliation again. Oh my god. So whenever I do something harsh with my skin, I go for this toner and like a gentle, I usually like to keep it gentle only. So these things are going to go here first. Then I'm going to keep 3 trustworthy sunscreens. Generally, you can do with 1, obviously, but I just have too many sunscreens, I guess. बहुत PRs आते रहते हैं. What was that laugh? But thank you so much to my job. But there's a difference, by the way. This one's a full spectrum dermat, recommended sunscreen. ये कोई PR नहीं है, मैंने खुद खरीदा है बहुत सारे पैसे डाल के. This one is from Asaya. It's a sheer sunscreen. अच्छा है, काफी अच्छा है. मैं इसको खत्म भी करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. This is the best. Jozon, House of Jason, House of Juzon. अगर ये ब्रांडेड होता तो मैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीख लेती, पर काहे कि ये ब्रांडेड नहीं है, सो हाउ डज इट मैटर, यू टेल मी. इतना एफर्ट डालने वाली कौन सी बात होगी इसमें. ये वाले ब्रशेस को यूज करने के लिए आई एम लिटरली डाइंग एट दिस पॉइंट बिकॉज आई गॉट दीज फ्रॉम हांगकांग एंड मैंने इसके बाद कभी ये यूज नहीं करा. इसका एक मैंने बस ब्लश यूज करने के लिए यूज करा है एंड इसके बाद आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड इट. मैंने सोचा ये मैं यहाँ पे आ रही हूँ ना, तो आई एम गोना कीप एवरीथिंग whimsy. So just like the way I want it. I'm not saying it's me. Dino likes it colorful, so right, it goes here. एक यार ये एस्थेटिक खराब करने वाली कंघी भी है मेरे पास, इसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा बहुत जल्दी. वीडियो के पर्पसेस के लिए इसको साइड रख दो क्या? Last things to keep on this side: one good hair serum, one perfume, fragrance. If you want to make it a little bit classy, we're gonna say fragrance. You know, that's my fragrance. All right. The next thing we have is one setting spray. Why am I keeping a setting spray here? I should keep it that side because उधर मैंने makeup रखने का सोचा है. Skincare and this side I'll place my makeup. So यहाँ पे मैं पहले तो अपने brushes रखूंगी. A little worried if I should keep it like this or should I keep it like this. This is going to hide more of the light, so I think I'll just place it like this instead. Important things first, skin tint. This has been an OG skin tint and ये मेरा recent most favorite है. Another thing which I want all of them and I'll keep all of them is the Ruby's Organics, these ones. इसके मेरे पास सारे हैं. ये ब्लश के डिफरेंट शेड्स है. इसमें इल्यूमिनेटर्स भी है, इसमें ब्रॉन्जर भी है. पाउडर ब्लश ये मैक का मेपल है. आई थिंक इट्स सो ओल्ड बट आई लव इट. Fenty Beauty का ये वाला एक हाइलाइटर है. आई हैव नॉट येट properly use this but I really mean to. Lipsticks, wait I'll show you the shades of it. This is for lip liner. जब मैं लगाती हूँ उसके अंदर I put this, like when I put like brown lip liner and I put this, oh my god, this is the best nude ever. I don't know whether it is available in India or not. This is from Forever 52. Tea Time. This is their latest serum lipsticks. ये मैंने अभी भी लगाया हुआ है by the way, and this is Love Etc. का another nude shade that I love. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है bro. Listen, this is too good. Like I can't even with you guys. Wait, what shade is this? I forgot. Desert Rose, Desert Therapy या Desert Rose कुछ तो नाम है इसका. Desert Therapy, my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Then I need this because I love this. I don't even use it on a regular basis क्योंकि मैं अभी बड़ा concealer ही use करती हूँ maximum. But I'm gonna still keep this. And yes, we have our concealers by the way, जिसको मैंने accidentally इस side में place कर दिया है. I forgot to show you guys. I mean, थोड़ा mix and match हो गया, but that's fine. These are my Bobbi Brown and MAC concealer. Yes, I like to use my concealers a little bit warmer than my skin tone so that मेरे dark patches ढक जाए. And we have this one. This is from Lancome, and I'm just gonna keep it here. That's a serum, although, but that is just for like, what do you call it? TLC purposes. ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है कि वो मैं रोज यूज करती हूँ. जब मुझे बूजी फील करने का मन करता है, only that's the time when I use it. This Love Etc. compact, I'm gonna keep it here because बहुत गर्मी है यार, बहुत गर्मी है, can't help it. इसमें मेरे सारे eyeliner वगैरह है, इसमें मेरे सारे eyeliner, lip liner वगैरह है. So इधर रखने का तो जगह भी नहीं है. And this space is looking aesthetic. I'm just gonna keep it towards the skincare side because you know I just can. And इस साइड में चलो, इस पे डाल देते हैं ठीक है. ब्रशेस का थोड़ा लोचा हो चुका है गाइस यार. आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाई द ब्रशेस काइंड ऑफ लाइक go from one side to the other. You gotta be a little bit more careful, girl. All right, so that's wow. Okay, you know what, I really like the way it is looking. Why is it looking so nice? There's one thing it's missing and that is candles. So I have options for candles here. Okay. Now my two options for candles are these. This is यार इसका smell क्या है? One second. Okay, one second. One more time. Oh my god, this is very chandan. This is so chandan. What do you call chandan in Angrezi? I don't know. This is from Nexus. This is a very classy candle. ये चंदन का स्मेल तो नहीं होगा, कुछ और होगा, देखते हैं. Bro, it's got something. I can't decide what it is. I like floral but sexy. But यहाँ पे I don't know. You tell me what's gonna go here like more.
of course it's this one. So I'm gonna place, but then मेरे यहाँ पे ना जगह कम है, so I don't want to like sort of, you know, I'm just gonna place this smaller one and this one I'll place next to my bed because bed के पास मेरे पास जगह है. So yeah, let that be there. This looks nice here. हो गया है तैयार. एक ही चीज बस बाकी है, which I don't know how to tell you guys, but I'm not this person, okay? I'm not like the previous owner का chair है ये, और I think she used to love all these like whimsical stuff, and I actually love it. You know, you can see I also love colors and all, but not in a psychedelic way. I love colors more in the cartoonish way, which is clearly visible. Although to be honest, I love how this looks together. Even this adds like literally something to it. I can keep it exactly as it is. I don't mind at all. I pretty much love her vision as well. But I think I'm gonna be adding something to that later on. For right now, I don't have anything. I just have this pillow cover. So just to give it a little bit of something, I'm gonna throw on this little pillow cover. Just to give it, जब मैं यहाँ पे बैठूंगी तो मेरे बैक में it's gonna look like I have a little, what do you call it, like furry on the back. इस पे फरी वाला एक सीट कवर डालूंगी, वो सब करूंगी, वो तो मुझे मिल ही जाएगा आराम से. But for now, I'm just gonna place this here. And having said that, this is my space. This is my beauty area. What do you guys think about it? I actually, honestly, I'm gonna tell you, I love it. मतलब हमने शुरुआत कैसे करी थी और ये अब दिखने में कैसा हो गया है. आई न्यू आई हैड अ विजन, बट लाइक व्हाट वाज गोना कम आउट ऑफ द विजन आई हैड नो आइडिया. आई जस्ट होप कि यहाँ की लाइटिंग वगैरह अच्छी हो. लाइटिंग मिलाने में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है गाइज यहाँ पे, बिकॉज आई एम गोना शो यू व्हाट हैपेंस. This is the kind of lighting I get, which is not good enough for skincare and beauty videos. This is the kind of lighting I get on this side, which is good, but background बहुत ख़राब है. मुझे ये वाला background चाहिए या फिर ये वाला बैकग्राउंड चाहिए, बट ये वाला बैकग्राउंड इज इम्पॉसिबल बिकॉज द लाइटिंग इज लाइक राइट बिहाइंड माई बैक, सो दैट इज अनदर स्ट्रगल. आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिगर इट आउट व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट कैन आई डू, हाउ टू शूट एंड ऑल. But this was step 1, and step 1 right now is pretty much sorted. I am so happy. I don't know how this is gonna go in the future. मतलब इतनी सारी चीज़ें. I feel like a kid actually. First of all, I need to go take a hair wash because my hair sucks right now. Like, oh my god, it's like so sticky. This is what Bombay does to your hair, okay? This is what Bombay does to your hair. मैं जहाँ पे रहती हूँ, we have so much, like where I used to stay. I come from Guwahati, right? So Guwahati has, for whatever reason, a lot of moisture in the air. So you can literally feel your hair, your skin sort of acting according to that. But Bombay, it's coastal. It is gonna make your hair frizzy, and especially for somebody who already has frizzy hair, I've been struggling pretty bad. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure out everything one by one, just the way I figured out my beauty station today. And I'm gonna see you guys a lot more in this area. यार मेरे पास एक और पूरा बक्सा है जो मैंने अभी तक अनबॉक्स भी नहीं किया हुआ है. All of my makeup and skincare products. I do have a lot of storage space in this house, which is amazing. मुझे चाहिए यार storage space. But let's see how that eventually turns out. Unbox ही नहीं किया यार अब तक. कब करूँगी, कब लगाऊंगी सारी चीज़ें. यानी कि I have lived here for exactly 1 month. 6th of May को मैं आई थी, आज 6th of June है. Time has gone by so quick, man. So quick. I don't even know what the end of this year is going to look like. But we'll figure it out together, you and I. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video really soon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye.